This column has received lots of emails from all over the world. The production team has selected 5. Not my choice, theirs. Number 1, this is Jean from New York. I love Colin. It's a pity I can't come home to vote. Well, it is a pity. Number 2, this is SB from Rose Hill. You are right. Colin thinks that he is it. Number 3, you are doing a good job, critic. I wish they would do it here. That's John Rickson from Australia. Number 4, this is Ronald from Jamaica. I love you, man. You are fearless. You think so? Number 5, why are you targeting Mr. Jordan so? Let's P. Debbie from basketball. I'm targeting him because I'm attempting to make him a better candidate. Anyhow, I call it the way I see it. And I ask no quarter, and I give none. Colin Jordan made a speech recently in St. Joseph. And there was a marked improvement. There was none of the foolish attempts at humor. But then again, he may have perceived that this was a St. Joseph crowd. He's in the territory of Dale Marshall. So it brings me to question if he's actually put it on or not. Because this is a completely different Colin Jordan than the one who's in Checker Hall, making silly comments, trying to elicit, I can't even describe it, but now he's being serious. So does he think the people in St. John are sensible people and the people in Checker Hall are stupid or silly people? It seems so to me. Or he has been taking advice from this column. Which one is it? But let me tell you something. This is where you fell down. Because as I said, I call it how I see it. You were preceded by individual speakers. You regurgitated every single thing that they said. I don't know if you had it written down before and they blew your case well open, but everything that you said was said before, so you actually said nothing. You said nothing new. You are still lacking. So the speech, you know they have a saying, dressing well can make you look good in a job interview. It cannot give you that job, but it can make you look good. It can't give you the job, but if you dress bad, it can stop you from getting that job. Right? Do you realize what I'm saying, Mr. Jordan? The speech is the main part. So despite your improvements on all the other part, you fell down in the gist of the battle. So you said nothing. You spent 20 odd minutes and you said nothing. You repeated things that were said already. So you contributed nothing to that night. So your grades are still low. You showed no improvement. You were being a parrot. So Colin Jordan, are you a parrot? That's all for now.